Hello everyone, a simple Korean side dish that boosts your health, have you heard of it? Today, we're making sea spaghetti, a simple yet nutritious Korean side dish, stir-fried seaweed stems. Struggling with constipation? Don't worry. It's packed with fiber, great for preventing constipation and detoxing. In Korea, it's a go-to dish for busy days. Ready to get started? Let's go. First, rinse the seaweed stems thoroughly in cold water to remove the salt. Then, soak them in cold water for about 20 minutes to further reduce the salinity. Be careful not to soak them for too long, as it can affect the texture. 20 minutes is just right. I checked online and found that seaweed stems are usually sold in packages of 280 grams to 300 grams. So I prepared today's recipe based on 300 grams. You can easily find seaweed stems at Asian markets. If not, you might have to go to the ocean and get them yourself. Just kidding. Cut the seaweed stems into bite-sized pieces using scissors or a knife. Now boil some water and blanch the seaweed stem for 2 minutes, then drain it. This step removes any fishy smell. Boil for just 2 minutes. Any longer and the texture might become unpleasant. When I was a child, I loved the stir-fried seaweed stems my mother used to make. Even now, the aroma of the sea brings back memories of warm, home-cooked meals. Do you have any childhood memories of simple, affordable side dishes like this? If so, let me know in the comments. If I can find the ingredients, I'd love to try making it myself. Before starting YouTube, I had no idea how chaotic it would be to cook while filming. Sometimes I get so focused on cooking that I forget to record. And other times, I concentrate too much on filming and end up ruining the dish. You'll soon understand why I'm saying this. While setting up the camera, I ended up overcooking the garlic 3 times. When the garlic turns golden brown and its aroma fills the air, add the big green onion and carrot. Then stir-fry everything together. Once the vegetables are nicely stir-fried, add the blanched seaweed stems and stir-fry for just 2 minutes. Overcooking makes it mushy, so keep it short. This is optional, but if you want a bit of spice, you can thinly slice a hot chili and add it in. For the best flavor and heat, add it at the very end to preserve its spicy aroma and taste. While the pan is still hot, add the chili and sesame oil and mix well. Finally, taste the dish and add salt to your preference. The saltiness of the seaweed may vary, so adjust it to suit your taste. Here's our quick and delicious stir-fried seaweed stem. It's perfect with rice and fits a vegan diet too. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.